A 2-year breakup. Well, why did you break up? If you don't mind sharing. If you don't mind sharing with us, why did you break up? Was it because he was a cheater? She said my sleep is essential. Was it because you guys just weren't happy together? I'm not going to tell you to focus like on the good memories, because then that's just going to make you more sad. Think of all the reasons why you're not together anymore. See? Yeah, feel your feelings. Spam? Who's spam? You're 39 and you've never had a boyfriend? No. I mean, some people just... Are you happier by yourself? Are you not looking for one? There's some people that are just happy by themselves. They find fulfillment being, you know, on their own. Or girlfriend? Oh, girlfriend. Yes, or girlfriend. You've been single since you were 15? But, I mean, it's not essential. I'm not gonna sit here and tell you, like, yes, I'm not in love with my husband and, you know, that's not great. But honestly, being alone is not the worst thing either. I actually follow a girl that she's single, she doesn't have a boyfriend, and she doesn't have any friends. And her life just looks so peaceful. I just watch her lives because, I just watch her videos because she's so peaceful. You've been with him since you were 16? What, 6 years? Exactly. Better alone than in bad company. You have 2 sets of twins? Girl. Y'all trying again for number... for 5 and 6? You'd be like, when I'm good and ready? You don't have to. But so fun. That's my little broke bestie. Or getting what? He's sleeping. And we went out together yesterday. Well, I already got my Valentine's Day gift. So, I know I wasn't getting nothing. You just had your second daughter? Hope you like being poor. Hope you enjoy being the poors. Because that's what you're gonna be. But I would do it all over again, every single time. It is exhausting. It is exhausting, it's terrifying, it's stressful. Um, kids are bad. They answer. They're a little annoying. They're poor, so they don't have any money. They're broke. What was I saying? What was the point of what I was saying? I forgot what I was saying. What was I saying? What was I saying? What was I talking about? Oh shit, I forgot what I was saying. What was I saying? And not they peasants. Oh, motherhood, right. Oh, right. But I would have kids again. I would definitely have kids. I would always pick to have kids. I love being a mom. It's my favorite thing. I was like, huh? What did I say? What's that? That made me laugh. I was like, I cracked myself up. I swear, I'm ridiculous. I can't with myself, girl. Yeah, no, kids are the best. I love my kids. I don't always like them like that, but I always love them. That was deep in my thought. I really was. They're the brokies, though. They're the brokies, and then they think you're the richies. Like, girl, I'm broke too. They definitely do. They think that $100 that they get for their birthday is gonna last for everything. They're like, just put it on my tab. Just use my money. Like, girl, you use that money too the first week. Take a shot for every time they say, Mom, girl, I like being alive. Yeah, those risotto flakes. Mm-hmm. I like living. How many gallons is my tote? I'm not sure. I'm not sure at all. I'm not sure, but we're at the top, so I might have to save some. Well, it'll probably thicken up because I don't have any more liquids, only a couple dish soaps. There's no more liquids going in. Polvo. Mucho polvo. These are cute, but they're a little thick. So I'm gonna put them to the side for now. These are super cute though. Use a cement tote. That's what I'm in, babe. That's what I'm in right now. I'm spilling! I'm spilling! Hold on. It smells so good. I cannot explain to you how good this smells. Oh, it's like florally, but yeah, it's good. No puzzle. I have my camera forward facing. Don't worry, babes. My camera is forward facing, so we will not miss it. I always tell them, everybody, like, I'm like, forward face your camera if you're doing it high up, so that way you don't miss it and you can see it, and that way you don't have to restart. L, because I'm talking to you specifically. L is who I'm specifically talking to. And you're like, I still miss it. Can we get to 400K? Y'all being totally fake. No, I'm just kidding. You guys sold me out of everything. That's so freaking crazy. Hello, what? That you don't forward face your camera. Stop leaving. What are you doing today? Antiquing? Instead of giving me your undivided attention? You really are. She's so funny. She sent me a message and she's like, hey, don't forget to get your your styluses. I'm like, oh yeah. She sent me a picture. Oh, she had it on a sticky pad. Like, you forgot. And then she's like, I forgot about it. Like, you wrote it on a sticky pad. Yeah, I figured you were out there thing. You wrote it on a sticky pad to remind me and then forgot about the sticky pad. Like, girl, we both a mess. We are both a mess. How many do I have left in these? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Let's see. Yes. Okay. Perfect. That's such a good friend. She really is. One. Okay. I know what I'm gonna do. Are we doing all in? No. No, I just like doing big pours. I'm not trying to keep y'all all day. Like, I'm trying to do, of course, good pours. But I'm not trying to keep y'all all day. It's Valentine's Day. Y'all need to go get your special hug time in. You went to sleep? You're like, girl, I fell asleep, but I'm back. Wait, some of my Cali girls, you guys were here from the beginning. You guys woke up at, what is that, 7? You guys were up at 7 to watch my live on a Saturday? No. You guys really woke up at 7 to watch my live? I'm a mess. I'm such a mess. That's so freaking crazy. Oh my gosh, that's so freaking sweet. Now you guys loving me more than your significant others. Yeah, like I woke up at 7 to watch Infomex. You've been up since 4:30? It's the middle of the night for you? Not yet. It's almost 8 now. Oh my gosh. Where are you at? Hi, Miss Robin. Where are you at? Thank you, my love. Hawaii? Oh my gosh. It's 6:56 in Germany, 6 p.m. for me. Now you're being a fresca. Okay. You want to go to Hawaii so bad? I know, it's so beautiful. Which island do you live on? And do you or don't you have a spare room? Just asking. You know what I always think is crazy? People that are like, I want to go to Florida so bad. I'm like, ugh. The Big Island? Which one is that? That one's Oahu? People don't want to come here. I'm like, ew, why? Why do you want to come here for? Yuck. Yuck. Orange Beach in Alabama. I've never been. The beaches here are nasty. They're nasty. Is Miami worth the hype? I mean, I think Miami is a good time.